In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Silex using a third-party service like GitLab.com. Let's keep this simple and clear. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Silex login page. If you're starting from the main Silex site, look for a sign in or log in link, usually at the top of the page. Before you proceed, take a second to confirm you're on the legitimate Silex domain. This helps ensure your sign-in is secure and avoids any issues with lookalike sites. On the login page, you'll see options to authenticate using a third-party service. Select the option for GitLab.com, or the third-party service you prefer if that's what you use. This is called Single Sign-On, and it lets you use an existing account to access Silex without creating and managing a separate password. When you click the GitLab.com option, you'll be redirected to GitLab's secure sign-in screen. Depending on your current session, you may be asked to enter your GitLab credentials or to confirm that you want to authorize Silex to use your account for authentication. This process is normal and keeps your password with the provider. Silex never sees it. If you're prompted to review permissions, take a moment to read the authorization screen and then confirm. You might also encounter a two-factor prompt if you've enabled it on your provider account. Complete that step as usual. If the page doesn't appear to change right away, give it a moment. Some networks can take a few seconds to complete the redirect. After a successful login, you'll be brought straight back to Silex, where you should land on the dashboard. This is your home base for managing your work. A quick way to confirm you're logged in is to look for your account avatar or profile menu, typically in the upper corner of the page. If you plan to come back frequently, consider bookmarking the dashboard now so you can return in one click. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you see an error or the page loops during sign-in, try refreshing the page, make sure your browser cookies are enabled, and check that pop-up or tracker blockers aren't interrupting the redirect. If the wrong account is selected on the provider side, sign out there and repeat the authentication to pick the correct one. That's it. You've gone to the Silex login page, chosen GitLab.com to authenticate, and arrived at your Silex dashboard, ready to get to work.